One day, a lion was sleeping in the forest. A little mouse was playing nearby. The mouse ran over the lion's body. The lion woke up and caught the mouse. The mouse said, "Please forgive me. One day I'll help you." The lion laughed but let the mouse go. After some days, the lion was caught in a hunter's net. He roared loudly for help. The little mouse heard the lion. He ran quickly and cut the net with his sharp teeth. The lion was free and happy. He thanked the little mouse. Moral of the story: kindness is never wasted. Even small friends can be great helpers.